What is this site about? What do we propose here? We propose nothing less than the total overhaul of the scientific method. We argue that science itself has been misconceived, misconstrued from the start. First by the ancient Greeks, and then by the generation that kick-started the 17th century so-called scientific revolution. Time to take a deep breath now. The University of Berkeley Understanding Science site synthesizes for us the notions of science that we ended up with today, since the scientific revolution of the 17th century. Essentially, science is both a body of knowledge and an ongoing process of discovery. And science is useful because it can help us develop new technologies. And yet, this prominent university site lists what causes gravity as one of the questions that no one using the contemporary scientific method has been able to answer in the last 400 years. After 400 years! Now, how difficult can this be? How is this possible? How is it possible that no think tank on the planet can be able to figure this kindergarten stuff out? I mean, what do we have? We have the Earth and we have the Moon. Two rocks. And no one can tell you why the Moon remains faithful to our planet and doesn't spontaneously fly away out of the solar system. So if contemporary so-called science cannot answer such a simple question after 400 years, maybe there's something wrong with the notion of science that we have. Maybe the scientific method that we've been using is not the one that conduces to such answers. Is science a body of knowledge? Is it an ongoing process of discovery? Is science supposed to be useful? Is the purpose of science to develop new technologies? Does science have anything at all to do with technology? Does science have anything to do with math? The layman seeks something else. They don't care about equations. What they want to understand is the mechanisms that underlie gravity, magnetism, and other such invisible phenomena. Does the current scientific method meet those expectations? We're going to argue here that it's time for a major paradigm shift.